everyone, welcome to another video. If you're new here, I am Hannah. I do cooking motivation vlogs and lots of other fun videos on here. If that is something you like, please hit the subscribe button. I am going to put together the shelving unit for the IKEA KALLAX, and I'm going to put them in this yellow KALLAX unit that I got from Facebook Marketplace for $50 AU. And I'm going to use it to organize my son's homeschooling supplies. His homeschooling supplies have increased because I've been homeschooling for quite a while now, and I'm going to organize all his stuff in here. And he also has another set of drawers next to the KALLAX unit full of homeschooling supplies as well. The shelves were pretty easy to put together. It just requires some of the silver push in now things, and then you just line it up with the I was gonna say wood, but not really wood, part of the shelf. And then after you put them in, you literally just slide them into the KALLAX, and you don't need to do any further screwing or anything as I was doing here. But it does come with these Velcro sticky tabs that you can stick on the side to kind of stop them from sliding around and moving. And the one up top here, you can see that has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dividers. That one, I think you're supposed to use for paper and files, but I'm actually going to use it for my son's puzzle. I actually have another one that I'm going to set up in the lounge room to use to organize the iPads. Because he is autistic, he actually has a couple of iPads because he uses an app to talk because he's not verbal. So hopefully I'll show you that in a later video.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins.
These pink IKEA KALLAX units are also vintage, and they're actually in my office. And I actually got a white set of shoes of Facebook Marketplace for the garage, and it came with these mirror doors which actually match the ones that I'm using in here. And I don't want to use it in the white one, so I thought I'd take it out and I would use it in this one instead to match my other one. I actually read the label on the mirror door, and it actually says it's from a Epic unit, I think, which is the smaller one. So I'm wondering whether or not the Epic doors can actually fit on the KALLAX unit. So if I can find some more, I might find some more if I need them, because I need to have the first 2 to 3 rows covered so the dogs don't get into the stuff that's in my IKEA KALLAX unit. I actually have this IKEA KALLAX unit set up so I can put all my stuffies up top, because one of my dogs really likes stuffed toys, and I don't want to get them destroyed, so I will go to put a whole collection up top of stuffies, mostly Pokemon ones because that's what I really like to play. hopefully I'll be able to show you that in another video, and if that's something you would like to watch, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see that video in the future.
You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything, then there's a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of
I'm supposed to use it as my art /
Get
Lego
in my way now,
deck,
don't be
but
shy. We'll
I
be
don't
here
have a lot of
dancing
time to
day and
actually watch
night.
that.
Get in my
So
groove now, don't be
it's
shy.
currently holding on to kind of a drunk drawer, so I'm just holding it out for the moment. And that wooden thing you actually see there is my iPad holder. I have a iPad Air that I'm supposed to use for digital art, because I used to do that a lot, but I haven't had a lot of time lately because I'm a single mom and my son's autism. So at the moment, the videos are apparently the only way I can get a little bit creative. I actually have a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree, but yeah, I don't have a lot of time for that at the moment. But hopefully, when I get things all cleaned and sorted, I'll be able to make more time soon, and I'll be able to show you some of that stuff as well.
Be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything, then there's a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter.
I got this RGB strip of Amazon. It's actually by a brand called Marabella Cielo. I actually have the same brand in my LED lights. So I wanted to get an RGB strip to match, so I didn't have to download an app on my phone. And this was really cool because you connect to Alexa, which all my other lights are connected to Alexa as well. And I actually have this same strip on my homeschooling desk behind the couch and on my desk in my office. I really like them. They're really easy to use and they're really easy to connect. And like I said, they work with Alexa, which I really like. And they add a really cool lighting effect, and you get all these different effects as well. So I'm actually putting this behind my dog crate, which are under my TV. I need another set of crates because my son can play with the dog bed. So in order to stop him from doing that, I put them in these nice crates, which kind of double as a TV stand under the TV. They look really nice, and they've got sliding doors on the front. And I'll show you what they look like later. I actually have them decorated at the moment for Christmas. But yeah, I really like these plates, and I really like how they got the lights on the back now. One day I might get RGB strips behind my TV and monitors, but I haven't gone that far yet. We'll see.
Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can't sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego.
It's been really humid here, so the RGB strip actually came off after this video. But I grabbed some sticky tabs from Amazon and they seem to be holding up pretty well.
Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a lie. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble lacking everlasting ego. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you.
So I'm just going to show you on my phone quickly how they work on the app. And then you actually go through this app and link it through with Alexa when you press the big blue button up top. And it'll automatically connect your lights with Alexa when you add them